Hello guys, hopefully you all will be fine. Today I got a new mining website in which you can get 5 USDT freely. After join this website you can get 5 USDT. I am going to show you how you can start your cryptocurrency mining on this website freely. Now, first of all I am going to show you how you can register your account on this website. Go to registration and click on it. Here you have to put your username and email and in double password. Fill up this captcha and click on sign up button. Your account will be succeeded successfully. Since I have a ready account, now I am going to log in on this website. Now I am going to show you how you can start your mining very easily without investment on this website. First of all, you see that here we have three options: SHA-256, script and ETH. In SHA-256 you got for mining cryptocurrency mining sites: Bitcoin Cash, Tron and Dash. Whatever you want, in which Tron, Bitcoin you want to start mining, you have just to right click on this point and move it to 100%. Your mining will start automatically. If you want to mine Tron, then you have to right click on this point and move it to 100%. Your mining will start automatically. Now I am going to show you how you can mine on script. You have to purchase gigahash power, milli gigahash power on this power in this website to mine Litecoin, Stellar, Zcash and Dogecoin on this website. If you want to mine Ripple and Ethereum in this website, you have to deposit on this website, then you can start mining on this website. Now I am going to show you how you can purchase gigahash power on this website. As much as you have gigahash power, your mining will be very fast. Now click on purchase gigahash power and then you have to select your wallet address in which you want to make your investment in this website. Here you have to put your investment minimum. You can put 6. As much as you minimum you have to put only 6, then your gigahash power will increase here, and total hash power and daily income you will see after deposit your first investment in this website. Now I am going to show you wallet. Here you will see that a lot of cryptocurrency wallet here. Every and any cryptocurrency you want to mine on this website, you can mine and you can deposit on it, and you can withdraw your very easily on this website. You can see there deposit and you can see your withdrawal. You have to, if you want to deposit on any, then you have to select on this one, and if you want to withdraw on the any crypto, you have to select this one. You can withdraw any cryptocurrency on this website. Now I am going to show you a very tricky trick from which you can increase your gigahash power very fast and freely. You have got referral link. Here you have your referral link. You have to copy this link and you have to spread it as much as you can. You have share first level partner and second level partner. You have to made your amount very increasing and competitively. You will increase your mining speed as much as you can after spread your referral link. If you like my video, then give me thumbnail and comment. Provide me your valuable comments in the comment section. Then I will got new cryptocurrency mining website for all of you. Please subscribe my channel, and I request you please watch my full video. Then you will get more profit in cryptocurrency surely, inshallah. Hope we will meet in the next video. Okay.